the windward side of Oahu in a little town named Kailua. Now, what do you get when you come over here? Well, you get awesome beaches. I mean, they got a bowling alley, they got all kinds of shops around here. But the question is, where do you eat? Well, that's where I come in to help out, because I've heard about a funky little joint where they're serving up Hawaiian classics with a twist. This is Uahi Island Grill.
Food in this place is spectacular.
I got your lemongrass shrimp here.
Flavorful without being too spicy.
It's more of like an Asian fusion kind of mix.
A mix that owners Nick Yamada and Nani Nikchevich have called contemporary Hawaiian.
Korean steak salad.
Ever since they first fired up their grill in 2007. Does this say Chef Bear?
Sure does.
Are you a friendly bear?
Yeah.
Very nice.
But like a gangster one.
What does a gangster bear's claw look like? This wild spirit led to exploring Southeast Asia for some culinary inspiration.
Putting a red curry grilled fish up in the window.
The red curry fish is amazing. It's got a nice combination of sweetness and spice.
The texture is perfect with the green papaya salad.
What are we gonna make?
We're making our red curry grilled fish. This is hebi. It's a locally caught short-bill spearfish.
How do you spell it?
H-E-B-I. And it's actually pretty light.
So it's light, but it's heavy.
Yeah, exactly.
What would it compare to?
It's kind of in between like a mahi-mahi and like a marlin.
Okay.
And I just like to do these biased cuts on an angle.
That's it?
That's it.
But we're gonna make a red curry sauce.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start off by sauteing this red curry. Hit it with some fish sauce real quick. Some lemon juice, brown sugar, coconut milk.
Okay.
Now bring it up to a boil. We're gonna hit it with a cornstarch slurry to thicken it up a little bit.
And the ice is for?
To cool it down and to bring it to that consistency that we want.
It gives you the wham, bam, and the thank you, ma'am. Okay, green papaya salad.
That is gonna top the heavy. So we're gonna grate this green papaya.
The texture in this is crunchy, a little green apple-ish.
I'm gonna get all the green papaya in here. Tomato,
Okay.
grated carrot, red bell pepper, cilantro. And now we're gonna dress this with fish sauce, lemon juice, brown sugar, equal parts. Now we're gonna whisk that together.
Love papaya salad. This is all for me, right?
Yes, it is.
Oh, that is exactly how it's supposed to be done.
So we're just gonna take a little portion of this, heavy. Just get a little salt on there, and then we're gonna slap it on the grill. I like to cook it just to where it's not quite done, a little bit pink in the middle. So we're just gonna plate it up. You can get brown rice here.
I'm a big brown rice fan. I'm also a green papaya salad fan.
You are in the right place.
I've almost eaten all of them.
Just gonna get it right on the rice. We're gonna top it with our red curry that we've brought back up to temperature. And that is it.
I just got the acid of the vinaigrette, sweetness of the fish. You have great textures, you know, the richness of the curry, but the char of the fish. It's what really gives it this island flavor. Really outstanding. This will be one I remember.
Awesome, man.
Every bite just gets soaked in the flavor.
Gourmet plate lunch. The fish is fresh caught. You know that he's sourcing things locally.
And they're punching up those Hawaiian ingredients with a twist.
Got a mandarin duck confit coming up.
The orange glaze adds that extra little sweetness and oomph to the dish.
So we're gonna take our duck legs, arrange them here in this pan.
So we are going to flat out confit this. Now, is this duck fat from other confits?
This is rendered duck fat from other confits.
Confits.
Just gonna cover this, get some star anise in there. It's the star of the show. Well,
Besides yourself.
oven 250 for 4 hours.
Nice. Next up.
All right, we're making the orange glaze for the duck confit.
Okay.
Orange juice, rice vinegar, shoyu, you get star anise, sugar, and a little ginger.
Got it.
And at this stage, we're just gonna incorporate the sugar. Just bring
Just
it
till
up.
it dissolves.
And per order, we're gonna glaze it down.
Got it.
Duck's ready.
Hit it.
You get it out of the oven here.
Gorgeous.
I like to do 1.5 pieces of these. I keep one whole, and I shred one. And then we put it on the flat top to crisp up the skin. Yeah. All right, so the duck is crisped up.
Great.
Again, 2 scoops rice. Put this shredded meat, and I put this whole one.
Right up on top.
And from here, I'm gonna get our choy sum, which is Chinese broccoli. Right there.
And last but not least,
We got our orange glaze. Just get the glaze all over the plate there.
a lot of star anise, which has great flavor itself, but it's much deeper and much more complex. The way this has come together with the glaze that you put on top of it, you got the right balance of sugar. It's spot on, man. Outstanding.
It's real sweet and yummy and tender.
They love what they do when it shows.
You have got a really subtle hand, but deliver a lot of big flavor.
Thank you.
Great job.
I appreciate it.
Wow.